If you're eyeing the Samsung QN800D but still on the fence about it, you're in the perfect spot. We're diving into everything that matters so you can decide if the QN800D is the right choice for your setup. This TV comes in three sizes: 65, 75, and 85 inches. Naturally, the bigger you go, the higher the price tag, but you won't be sacrificing performance. No matter which size you pick, you're getting the same tech and power, just more immersive screen space as you move up in size. Pricing comes later, but first, let's talk about what this thing can do. Let's begin with what hits you first: the picture. The QN800D pulls no punches. It delivers a dazzling combination of intense brightness and spot-on color accuracy. It features mini LED backlighting paired with QLED technology, which means more dimming zones and richer colors than your average TV. HDR content shines past 1,000 nits, so whether it's explosions or sunsets, the visuals are vibrant. It doesn't quite match OLED's contrast, but on the flip side, you won't have to stress about burn-in with this one. When it comes to color, the QN800D is seriously impressive. It fully covers the DCI-P3 color spectrum, which makes a massive difference for HDR viewing. That means more vivid reds, deeper greens, and more lifelike tones whether you're streaming, gaming, or watching movies. Everything pops in the most natural way possible. Now let's talk gaming. This TV is locked and loaded. With 4 HDMI 2.1 ports, you're getting 4K at 120Hz, 8K at 60Hz, VRR, FreeSync Premium Pro, and Auto Low Latency mode. Plug in a PS5 or Xbox Series X and enjoy buttery smooth gameplay at 4K 120Hz. Sure, 8K gaming is possible, but let's be real. The content isn't there yet, and you'd need a beast of a rig to make it happen. You'll also love this snappy response. The average response time clocks in at about 10 milliseconds, which is fantastic for a mini LED panel. Input lag is also razor sharp, averaging about 8 milliseconds at 4K 120Hz. One of the HDMI ports support eARC, meaning if you hook up a soundbar through it, you're getting high-quality audio with zero hassle. For the best experience, go with a soundbar from the same brand. It's practically made for this setup. The TV's main ports come housed in a separate box, likely to keep the screen itself ultra-thin and sleek. And speaking of sleek, this TV looks stunning. It's incredibly thin with barely there bezels, giving it a premium futuristic vibe. It's the kind of screen that deserves a wall mount. Mounting it not only saves space but elevates your whole home theater experience. There's a mount that fits all sizes of this TV perfectly and makes setup a breeze. Now let's shift to smart features. The QN800D runs on the Tizen OS, Samsung's fast, user-friendly platform. You've got instant access to streaming favorites like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more. Voice controls are built in too, whether you prefer Alexa, Google Assistant, or Bixby. The interface is smooth and quick, with everything just a few clicks or commands away. Time for pricing. The 65-inch model is currently around $2,599, though past deals have dropped it below $2,000. Keep your eyes peeled if you want to snag it during a dip. The 75-inch version sits at $3,197 today, but its average tends to hover around $3,000. Don't rush it, wait for the price to slide back if it jumps. And then there's the 85-inch beast, listed near $3,999. It has dipped to $3,500 in the past but usually stays close to the $4,000 mark. Again, don't stress. This is likely its sweet spot right now. You'll find all the links you need in the description box below. Want to check the TV out yourself? You may scan this QR code and check it out on Amazon right now. Looking for that perfect soundbar or a reliable wall mount? Scan these QR codes too. This has been Marty, and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Cheers!